When cold weather hits Aurora and Naperville, your furnace works overtime. At Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning, we have seen the same furnace problems pop up every year since 2001, keeping local homes from staying warm and comfortable. The most frequent issues? Dirty or clogged air filters that restrict airflow and spike your energy bills. Faulty thermostats that cause uneven heat or cold air blowing. Ignition and pilot light failures that stop your furnace from heating at all. Short cycling, where your furnace turns on and off too often, wearing out the system. Blower motor or fan issues that leave you with weak airflow or rattling noises. And let's not forget leaky ducts, blocked vents, or even electrical problems that trip breakers. Strange smells or noises are always a sign to call a pro. Most of these problems can be prevented with a fall furnace checkup. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months and schedule a professional tune-up to catch small issues before winter hits. Regular maintenance keeps your home safe and your furnace efficient. Trust Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning for expert furnace care in Aurora and Naperville. Call us at 630-788-4688 to schedule your inspection and stay warm all season long.